Hello guys! Welcome back to my channel again. This is Michelle. So today what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how I make my own red beans and rice. And if you want to know how I make it, please stay tuned and I'm going to show you my step-by-step red beans and rice recipe. So this is all the ingredients how to make your own red beans and rice. So first thing, I wanted to show you this sausage that I got from Target, and the brand that I use is called Hills Farm and it's Polska Kielbasa. Correct me if I said it wrong. And I used the whole package, and it's actually made with pork, turkey, and beef. And so I use all that. Next one I use is the bay leaf. I put 1.5 teaspoon. Salt, I put 1.5 teaspoon as well. Garlic, 1 cloves. Pepper, 1/4 teaspoon. And paprika, I put 1.5 teaspoon. And I also use the honey baked ham right there. I use the 1 pound, I think that's what they said. And they actually have promo today that if you buy one, they'll give you buy one take one. And this is the red beans and rice. I'm gonna use the instant pot for cooking. I'm gonna put that in. So first what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put oil right there. You can put as much as you want. I put canola oil. For me, I think canola oil is more better. So I'm gonna put my onion first. I will saute this until the onion turns brown. You can see. That looks really good. I'm gonna put my sausage, all of it. I will keep sauteing this one as well until the flavor will go together. I'll wait for another minute, and then I will put my ham. So that's already a minute. My ham is ready to cook. I'm gonna put all this together. And then I will saute until I see a good color. You know, this is really good when your all family are coming and you'll get together. And what's better if you have good foods, right? It's always fun. And then we'll wait for another few minutes, and then the next one we'll put our beans and the rest. So it's already brown. I think I made it more longer instead of just a minute. I waited for another 5 minutes. And the next one we wanted to put is our chicken broth. I'm gonna use the Watson chicken broth. And I use the unsalted broth because I wanted to control how much salt I put in. So right now it's 2 o'clock and we're using the Instant Pot. So I'm gonna cook this for about, I'm gonna use the pressure cook and set this one up for 2.5 hours, and that would be around 5 o'clock. So that would be good for dinner to get ready. So I'm gonna set this one again, let it boil for about 10 minutes, and then I'll come back for the next ingredients what we're gonna put. I also wanted to add my bean stock. So this is the one that I put the beans and I let it overnight. So I'm gonna put that one. And then wait to let it boil. Oh my god, that smells so good. Sorry guys, it's smoky, but now that it's starting to boil, you can mix that, and then you can put your red beans. You have to be careful because it's really hot. So I'm gonna pour all that. Whew, that smells so good. If you guys can smell it right now, you will be jealous. All right, so we have to stir this, and then the next one you should do is you put your parsley. So I'm gonna put everything together since it's boiling. I'm putting my pepper, my paprika, my bay leaf that I crushed, and I put my salt. And I'm gonna mix all that. Smells so good. All right, so the next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna change the setup of my crock pot, because the one that I was using is I'm using the saute. And now that I put all the ingredients all together, the next one that I'm gonna do is change the setup. So I'm gonna cancel that and put my setup on pressure. So I'm gonna press that one. So I'm gonna change the time and set up for 2.5 hours. All right, so that's 2.5 hours. So you have to press it, and then you put in high because you wanted to cook it in a high pressure. So there's an option low or high, and we wanted to go to high. So it's blinking, and I'm gonna click high. Okay, and then delay. No, I don't want to delay it because I wanted to cook now. Keep it warm once it's finished to cook. Yes, and then since that's all set up, what I'm gonna do is press the start. So that's gonna be starting, and it's starting to preheat. That's what it says right there, so you can see. And then I'm gonna cover my Instant Pot right there. So that's it. It's gonna start cooking for 2.5 hours, and I will see you in a few hours. All right guys, so it says 8 more minutes, but we can open that already. So let's see what we got. So I hear that sound, so it is ready. Ooh, look at that. Wow. So oops. All right. right, let's see. Let's mix it. Wow, it looks so good. But we still have to cook this for about 9 more minutes, it says. But I wanted to taste it first. What does it taste like? And then I'm gonna put some white rice. That's what we normally do. But if you use brown rice, you can do that also. But I normally use white rice, so I'm gonna do that. But I'm gonna taste this one first, and then I'm gonna show you the final looks. Okay. Alright, so I'm gonna try it now and see what it tastes like. It's so good. I can taste the beans, I can taste the ham, I can taste the sausage, I can taste all the flavor. And yeah, I think I'm gonna have 2 bowls for this recipe, and so I'm gonna have another bite. Alright guys, so that's my video for today. So if you think you like this video, please put a thumbs up. And if you have another questions about the recipes, or if you have anything that you want me to cook or you want me to do, just leave a comment down below and I will try my best to do your request. If you haven't been subscribed yet, please